Rise and shine, now you're like nobody else. Go on and smile, it's good to.
Ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat sa inyong pagdalo at sa muli nating pagtitipon-tipon sa ating taunang selebrasyon na Kapaskuhan.
And let the music play.
Welcome to Paskong Pinoy 2024!
I know it's gonna be okay. 'Cause suddenly it's a brand new day. It's a brand new day.
There is a home for you at Prime World Land. Ito po yung tagline namin sa Prime World Land na hindi lang basta tagline. Ito po yung sinasabuhay namin. At ngayong gabi, masaya kami dahil kasama po namin yung mga tao na tumutulong isabuhay kasama namin itong tagline na ito.
I know it's gonna be okay. 'Cause suddenly it's a brand new day. It's a brand new
Magandang gabi po mula sa Prime World Land. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa pagdalo kahit na medyo traffic po ngayon at long weekend. Bukas, marami pa rin pumunta. So, salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aming mga project. Nakita nyo naman na marami kaming mga natapos na at marami naman din kaming mga sinisimulan. So, sana po next year makita-kita po ulit tayo. Thank you.
Welcome to Paskong Pinoy 2024!
Let it go, there's a spark inside. I can feel it. I'm alive, I'm alive. I open up, spread my wings. I was born to fly. I can feel it. Let it rise, let it rise. And now the world is calling. Underneath the brightest sky. Anything can happen now. Anything can happen. Anything is possible. Anything can happen. I feel alive inside. I feel alive. I feel alive. I feel alive, feel alive, feel alive for the very first time. I feel alive, feel alive, feel alive for the very first time. Anything can happen now, anything can happen.
Isang maagang pagbati ng maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat. Naway maging masaya, makulay at makabuluhan ang pagdiriwang natin ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat.
Anything can happen now, anything can happen. I feel alive inside, I feel alive. I feel alive, feel alive, feel alive for the very first time.
Thank you so much at sana kung sino po yung mga kasama namin ngayon dito, makakasama pa namin until the next year at madagdagan pa. Thank you.